Hi, I'm Andy, the owner of Sonic Solutions. Dust or air filters remove airborne contaminants from the production environment, either for health and safety reasons or to prevent contamination of the end product. But over time, they get blocked and stop working properly. So then you either have to clean them or replace them. Whilst not massively expensive, there are usually lots of them and they get dirty quite frequently. But cleaning is an extremely messy, painful and laborious process. The solution? Outsource your cleaning to us. Using a variety of cleaning methods, we can remove any contaminant from your filters, be it oil, dust or food residue. We can get your filters nearly new at a fraction of the new cost and in a matter of days. We take your dirty filters and return them in a nearly new condition without the time, cost and hassle of you doing it yourselves. We've saved companies like BPI Berry, Caveris, A&O thousands of pounds and hundreds of man hours by taking the job off them. Reliable, consistent and hassle-free. It's what you ask for, it's what you get.